Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basic steps that you need to take to bring a Shopify store from 0 to 100k a month as soon as possible and how you get started with dropshipping from scratch. So this video will be packed with a lot of value, a lot of knowledge that I wished I had before when I started in 2017, 2018, because this value was not there in 2017 and 2018. We did not have the resources back then. I wished I had this kind of resource back then to get started much more quickly with better knowledge about the systems and without spending a lot of money and wasting a lot of money on ads that did not convert. So in this video, I will show you how to start with dropshipping and bring your store to 100k a month with the basic principles that will take you to the next level and help you scale your online business. So let's get started. So as you can see, we're here in my laptop, and as you can see, I'm going to explain how to generate 100k a month with dropshipping in 2024, and I will take you step by step. To achieve this goal, we have three basic principles. Well, the first principle, as you guys can see, is of course find a product. As you guys maybe know, you need a product to sell, otherwise you cannot make money, right? Makes sense. Secondly is we need to create a store. Of course, there is a place like Shopify where we can host our product and people can buy our product. So this is number two. And number three is of course get traffic to the store so we can convert these eyeballs into sales and just bring it to 100k a month. So I'm gonna take you step by step by the phases, as you guys can see, and let's start by phase number one, finding a product. Well, before we're gonna do product research, we want to know what we're looking for. And for this kind of stuff, I use some criteria that I use, and these are the 5 criteria that I use. I also put them in the product research sheet. And as you guys can see, I will share this board with you in the link below. So click in the link below in the description, open the Miro board, and you can watch with me. As you can see here, I linked it. So as you can click on it, you will see the product sheet, and where the criteria are is on the right side. And you can just check mark if it has this kind of criteria. So these 5 criteria I use always with doing the product research. Number 1 is, does it solve a big problem? Number 2 is, does it trigger an emotion? Number 3 is, has it a high margin? Number 4, does it stand out on social media? Because people are not scrolling on social media to buy, they are just scrolling on social media to connect with other people. And of course, number 5, and this one is not the most important one, but it's very good to scale beyond like the 100k a month. The number 5 is, are upsells or recurring purchases possible? What I mean with recurring, maybe you sell kind of product that people can use when they are out of stock, they need a new product and they can buy again from you. Think about shampoo, skincare, supplements, etc., etc. These kind of products are very well because you only need to acquire once the customer, and when you deliver good quality, they will come again and again. Then we are going to do some live product research, but we don't do this right now here in this video. I have a YouTube video made about how I find 10k a day winning products live. You can click on it as well, it will open and you can watch the video. So it's pretty simple. Once you understand the principles, we need some tools to do the product research. A lot of people are asking me, yes, but I don't have a lot of budget. Well, we have 2 versions. We can have the free tools and we can have the paid tools. The free tools are here on the left side, and these are the Facebook ads library, where you can type in shop now, 50% discount, free shipping, neck pain, back pain, pets, kids, all kind of keywords that you're looking for. You can type it in. Also linked here, click on it, you will find the Facebook ads library and you can start typing all the keywords in. Of course, then we have the Facebook feed. That's just facebook.com. You can scroll through the Facebook ads library and you can see if you find some products. Oh, well, boom, here I find already a product. You can just like on it, maybe just comment something, and you can learn more and just see about what the store is all about. This is a dropshipping store, obviously. And you can put this link into the product research sheet and you can check mark the criteria. So then we have the TikTok feed. I won't open TikTok because it's always spammy around, but if you go to tiktok.com, you can click on the link as well, and you can search for hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, viral products. This product is insane. Some kind of all hashtags you can use, and you will find a lot of untapped products. And then of course we have the TikTok Creative Center, pretty simple as well. It is by inspiration, tops at dashboard, and you can search by region, you can search by industry. In my video that I pinned here, I will show you guys how to use it. So please, after this video, check this video so you know how to use these tools. But please stick around because this video will explain all the basic steps that you need to take a store from 0 to 100K a month. So secondly, we have the paid tools, and the paid tools are the ones that are the shortcut for finding quicker winning products. So what do I mean with that? We have 4 product research tools that I personally use, and these are my favorites. And number 1 is Mania. As you guys can see here as well, a link to it, and you find the Mania tool. I explained how to find winning products here as well, but they even have like a tab with products, so you can even see the winning products here. Then we have PP ads. For mostly is this on TikTok. This is the best TikTok ads search method that I've found, and TikTok ads are very good way to start with a low budget. I will come by that later. Then we have Trend Rocket, of course, the tool from Davey Fogarty. I love this tool. You can see what the tool does, and you can see all the popping up brands. You can see the revenue. You can see the Facebook ads library. It's amazing. So yeah, you can, maybe I can show you here. Here you see the brands. You can click on the brand, and you can see a lot of data. Trend Virality, review tracker, the social media, the Facebook ads. You can see everything from them. And this is where all the magic happens. As you can see, this brand is scaling. So this is a good sign. That means like, okay, these guys are doing good. And you can see the active ads. Okay, then we have, of course, Shop Hunter. Let's see if I'm signed in here. Here I'm logged in into the tool. We can hit explore. We can see the top stores. We can see the top products. We can see everything. And of course, what I found amazing about this, let's go by this lamp store. I will take their URL, add shop. Let me see, I don't know if this is the correct... Oh, it is. This store did 50K in the last 30 days. So you can see how they are scaling slowly. But this is a very good tool to see what the team they are using, what kind of apps they are using, and how much revenue they are doing. So these are the 4 tools that I use daily for my product research. And of course, I do the free ones as well. The product research is, I think, the most important part of this one, of the whole setup from your store. Otherwise, it will flop. It's all about the product, and then, of course, the creatives around the product. So now we have found a product. Of course, then the second phase is create a store. Well, we are gonna host the store in Shopify. Here I linked the link as well. If you click on this link, you can start for $1 a month. If you hit in here your email address, you are ready to go, and you only pay $1 a month. This is a special deal that Shopify gave me. This one is special for you guys, so please use it. Otherwise, you're paying $79 a month, and now you get it for $1 a month. So pretty cheap, right? So we can choose the store type after we have made our Shopify account. So we have 4 different store types that we're able to choose from. Of course, the one of the most famous ones is the one product store. This is mostly used by brands like the Foley. If you click on it, you can see here on the right top as well the website. As you guys can see, it's all about this product. It's all about this product. Of course, the name is genius. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful branded store, and they only sell this kind of product. Then, of course, we have number 2, and that's the niche store. It's a store where we can sell multiple products in a niche, around a typical niche in let's say the beauty niche, or this one as an example, loungewear, so in the bedroom niche, let's say it that way. Blissy.com, it's a very famous store. They are doing millions a month, and they are just doing pillowcases, bed sheets, silk, eye masks, everything. And this store is beautiful. This one is, you can learn a lot from this store. It's beautiful made, and I think you can learn a lot from this as well. Then, of course, we have the general store. That's where we can spam test a lot of products. I took this one as an example. If you come to the homepage, you will see that they are selling a lot of kind of products. Here on the collection page as well, they do outdoor living, home and furniture, toys and games, they do health and wellness, they sell everything. But I think it's still a very clean general store. So if you're gonna build a general store, this is the way to do it, because this is beautiful designed. And then what I love to do, and this is my personal favorite, I call it the hybrid store. One of the famous stores I think is Bleem.com. Yes, they do sell hair product, especially this one, but what I found is that they sell a lot more products in this niche, but they brand it around this niche. So they are in the skincare and the hair removal niche. The colors are everywhere the same, but they can still sell a lot of products. And if I go to the PP Spy, you will see they even sell 9 products, all in the same niche. But you can still test a lot of products within this niche without creating a big niche store. You're just pretending you are a brand around this product. So you can brand one product here. If this one flops, you change it to another product. Let's say you take this one and you're gonna try this one as well. Here you see Gleam Body Scrub. They are testing this one right now, and they are using even the same landing page. So this looks very good. I'm a favorite of the hybrid store. So after you picked your store type, then we need to choose the market you're gonna run in. For me especially, I'm running in the European markets, so I choose the Netherlands, Germany, Belgium, Switzerland. I can choose these kind of markets that are very strong. You guys can of course choose like the US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, but please choose one market and start in that market before going into different markets. Just choose one and dominate that one. Then, of course, when we have the market, we need to choose the team. And of course, we have 2 options, free and paid. Well, for the free one, I use Sense or Refresh. These 2 are very good. And for the paid one, it's the Shrine team that I use. I have asked them for a link as well for a discount. I'm still in the process, so if this video goes live, here you will see a Shrine code as well. I believe you get like 10 or 20% discount on the team. But I use this team all the time, and it's especially the team that Bleem is also using. This is the team that I use. It's the Shrine team, and I think it's beautiful looking. If you guys want to know how to set up a perfect store, I don't have yet a tutorial on building stores live, but this guy has, so shout out to this guy. I linked the video here as well. This guy just shows you in 20 minutes how to build a beautiful store with the Shrine team as well. And he uses it for this video as well. And I think his video is amazing. His video is really good. So you can use that one. So we have the market chosen, we have the team chosen. Now we're ready to launch because the store has been built. And then we need phase number 3, and that's generate traffic. In phase 3, we're gonna generate traffic to the store. So this is what we need to do. Before we can generate traffic, we need creatives, otherwise known as advertisements, ads. So we have 2 options for your creatives and your advertisements. One, you can make them yourself, and I use therefore CapCut. Or you can outsource it, and I would definitely recommend Viral Ecom Ads. They are the sponsor of this video as well. Shout out to Viral Ecom Ads. I use them every time on my creatives. And when you use my link, it's linked in here below, you will see that you will get to the homepage. And what I always use are these split testing packages. And you can do this for the Facebook, and there's 4 ad variants, and here it's a TikTok variant. And as you guys can see, normally it's $50, but I believe if you put it right now in the add to cart, you will see that the link is used and you will get a 15% discount immediately. So I would definitely recommend you guys doing this. You have, I believe, for 1 week unlimited revisions, so you can keep sending feedback and they will make it how you want it. So yeah, you have just 2 options. The free one is CapCut. Well, CapCut is still, I believe, a paid tool as well, but not as and it's just a one-time buy. But you need to do it yourself. So this will take hours of work, and this will take you 10 minutes of work. So that's why I use always Viral Ecom Ads. Of course, then we're gonna launch the advertisements that we've just created, and then we need to choose the platform. This is what I always do. If I'm low on budget, so less than $2,000 US, I will always go for TikTok ads. TikTok ads are the lowest barrier to enter for dropshipping products to start with dropshipping, but I think it's way harder to scale to 100K a month plus when you're just a beginner from TikTok ads, because you need to recycle a lot of content. So you need to order a lot of content from viral e-commerce, or you need to use CapCut yourself a lot. But okay, let's say we're gonna use TikTok ads. The testing strategy is pretty simple. We create one CBO from $50, so you need $50 in budget per day. In this CBO, we create 5 ad sets, and I need to take here broad targeting. That means no interest, nothing selected, just leave it blank, just target one country, the whole country, maybe by gender if you have a male product or a female product, but I leave it blank normally as well. And per ad set, I do 1 to 3 creatives. Normally these are all the same creatives. I start with 3 creatives and I put these 3 creatives behind all ad sets. So yes, 5 ad sets are totally the same with the same creatives, but I noticed TikTok will choose which ad set will perform best and will allocate the budget to that. So then we have, of course, the Facebook ads. And the Facebook ads is where my expertise is as well. I use it because I always have $2,000 to start with. I choose always around 2 to 3K on budget when I start a new store, a new product. And that's when I choose Facebook ads. The testing strategy is almost the same, but there I'm gonna choose a $100 testing budget, also in CBO. And I do just 1 ad set in the CBO. 1 ad set per creative and per angle. Not especially per creative, but let's say we're selling a hairless tool like Bleem.com, and we're gonna target people that are wanting to get ready for summer. So the creatives are around getting ready for summer is 1 ad set. But maybe we have another ad set that's around for Valentine's Day, smooth legs for Valentine's Day. I will not put that in the same ad set. I will make a new ad set around that. That's what I do. So we have 1 ad set broad per angle, and then the creatives in these ad sets. And then I put always on dynamic creative test. This means you can put in all the videos and make 4 headlines and 3 descriptions and 2 call to actions. That's what I do. 4 headlines, 3 descriptions, and 2 call to actions. Think about learn more, shop now, etc., etc. And I have 4 ad copies that I can use around the creative. And this is what I always put on. So as you guys can see, we have all the phases now done. Phase 1 is finding a product. Phase 2 is create a store, and phase 3 is generate traffic to the store. And then of course phase 4 and maybe the final phases is of course the fulfillment. A lot of people ask me, how do you fulfill? Well, if you want to start, AutoDS is the way to go. I will not open it, otherwise it will open all my stores, but I've linked it here in as well. AutoDS is very, very, very good. If you use my link, you get a 30-day trial instead of a 14-day trial. You can just link all the AliExpress products into your store. It will get automatically sent to your store. All the product pictures will be in your store, and you can source it by 1 click, and you just can pay the orders, and AutoDS will fulfill the orders and send updates to your customers. This is very, very good. When you scale to 100K plus a month, you can use a private agent. If you guys want to use a private agent, please click on the first link in the video description. I have my school community there. In my school community, I teach everything for free. I'm building a live store, scaling it to 10K a month, hopefully soon to 10K a day even. You will see me doing it all live. So you will see me doing all these steps live, one by one, in the school community. So if you want to see that, guys, it's totally for free. Click in the link in the description. It's the first link in the description, the school community. And for the rest, all the links are here in the My Report, and I will link the My Report as well into this description. Let me guys know what you think about this kind of video style. If you guys want more, if you guys want more explanation about a certain topic, please let me know in the comments. And for now, I will tell you peace and see you into the next one. Ciao.